The eighth branch of the famous Jai Hind store in Pune was recently inaugurated at City Center, Hadapsar. This new branch will showcase a fresh collection of customers. During the event, director Mehul Jain mentioned, "This is Jai Hind's 8th branch, and along with the Mehul outlet, it marks our 10th branch. Our family business has now entered its third generation. After completing my education in London, I joined the business and focused on its expansion for growth. We are opening new branch in different locations."
Hi, my name is Mehul Jain. I am one of the directors at the Jai Hind Group. So basically today we have this store launch at the Hadapsar store at the Hadapsar, and so this is the 8th store by name of Jai Hind, and when we add Mewar as well, so this would be the 10th store. So I would just come directly to the point that people have been asking me why Hadapsar. So since Pune has been growing from all the 4 sides, Hadapsar is been growing a lot. I feel it's almost on saturation level. So now we've been getting a lot of customers from this side, and since Pune traffic has become like so amazing where people know about it, so we've changed our retail policy that we want to go towards the customers. I don't want people to come down to Jai Hind, like Jai Hind should go to the people now, to its own people now. So this was the whole logic. We came to Hadapsar. Now here we have our own Pune people, we have the IT crowd, we have all the mixed people. So we thought so that Hadapsar is one of the perfect location. Though probably after Hadapsar we might target the other entry points of Pune like Wagholi, Siagat Road, etc. etc. But yeah, right now Hadapsar is the main one. So today's a store launch. And now basically this time what we have done is we wanted to differentiate this store with other Jai Hind as well. So what we have done is this time we've got a lot of fast fashion product which is catering towards more Gen Z crowd, which is for all people who aspire for fashion, but then these guys cannot think of wearing such kind of fashion. So what we have done is we've got a fully high fashion product as well as a fast fashion, a basic fashion I would say, where people like 60 years they aspire for wearing fashion clothes, but what is going to suit them, we've got that product range this time. And the best part about it is targeting on the perfect price point, because like we talk about fast fashion, it gets very expensive. So we've got with such kind of range where it is suiting to all the budgets. So yeah, this is how we've differentiated this store. Secondly, this time from when it comes to Mewar as well, we've come up with a complete new, I would say collection. So as you can see it over here, it's a complete studio section, and we are trying to give you a very personalized, and a very personalized service over here. So this is what we are trying to do this time. And we have differentiated a product of Mewar from other stores as well. This is the whole point.
What?
People, so whenever people say about Jai Hind, it's always men's. So people have been asking us, why not you get into Jai Hind like a family store concept?
Yes.
Where you start catering ladies and the kids. Honestly, I would say I've been thinking about it recently, but then it is yet a thought process.
Okay.
I would love to, get Jai Hind suiting to the entire family.
Yeah.
So I won't give you a commitment, but then yeah, I'm trying to do it. I'm trying to do it.